In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a no-code Slack chatbot using a visual automation tool. We'll walk through choosing a platform, connecting it to your Slack workspace with the right permissions, and building a clear visual workflow that tells your bot exactly how to behave. The goal is to help you get a helpful, reliable bot running without writing a single line of code. Start by picking a no-code automation tool such as Zapier, Workato, or Esta. They all offer visual builders and strong Slack integrations. Your choice often comes down to budget, how complex your workflows are, and which other apps you want to connect. Regardless of the tool, look for a simple canvas where you can drag and drop steps, and a library of pre-built Slack triggers and actions. Next, connect the platform to your Slack workspace by granting the necessary permissions. You'll be prompted to authorize access so the bot can read specific events and post messages where needed. This typically involves selecting your workspace and approving scopes like viewing messages where the bot is mentioned or sending messages as the bot. Only grant what you need for your use case to keep things secure. With Slack connected, open the visual builder to define your bot's triggers and actions. A trigger is what starts the workflow. Think of a user typing a / command, mentioning the bot, or a new message that contains a keyword. An action is what the bot does in response, posting a reply, sending an alert to a channel, or fetching data from another app. Use the canvas to map the flow from left to right so you can see the logic at a glance. Now configure what you want the bot to do on. If you want it to respond to specific commands, set a trigger for that command and write a friendly, precise response. For alerts, create a trigger that listens for events you care about and add an action to send a message to a channel or direct message. To pull information from other apps like Google Sheets or a CRM, connect those apps within your automation tool, add a lookup or search action, and then map the returned fields into your Slack message so the response is clear and useful. As you build, keep your messages concise, add context so people understand what they're seeing, and name each step clearly so the workflow is easy to maintain. The visual map is your source of truth for how the bot behaves and responds. And that's it. Choose your tool, connect Slack with the right permissions, then design triggers and actions in the visual builder to create a smart, no-code Slack chatbot.